this is Maple Star. Looks like a few more pieces than it is. It goes together pretty quickly. You have 4 flying geese units made with connector corners. You can use your preferred method with that, whether it's drawing a line, using a ruler, or a seam guide, but you're going to make 4 of those. You're going to make 4 corner units that look like this. Here's your flying geese unit, but your 4 corner units get a square, a background square, and then a background rectangle. Your 4 flying geese units will get sewn to the print square that's right there. Press towards the print. You want to follow the pressing instructions on this because when you do, guess what? Everything nestles in there perfectly. Block goes together very, very easily. The one thing I wish you could see, and then you just lay it out into rows. I wish you could see there's some little tiny lines right there from stitching that I haven't quite removed. Yes, I happily sew blocks together with pieces turned around that I don't notice until I take them up to press them. It happens. It's really nice when you make those mistakes on the smaller blocks because it's a shorter seam to rip. But it happens, and this is a fun block to make. Maple Star.